In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do journals on Xero. Manual journals help you record adjustments, accruals, and reclassifications that aren't created by bills or invoices. I'll walk you through each field so you know exactly what to enter and why it matters. Start from your Xero dashboard and open the Quick Create menu by clicking the plus icon at the top. From the list, choose Manual Journal. This opens a fresh journal screen where you'll build your entry line by line. Begin with the narration. Think of this as the journal's headline. Keep it short, clear, and searchable. Something like accrual for utilities or reclassify office supplies. Good narrations make it easy to find the entry later. Next, set the date. Pick the effective date for the adjustment, often the month and date you want the entry to affect. This date controls which reporting period the amounts appear in, so double check it before you move on. In the description field, add detail for each line so future you or anyone reviewing understands the purpose. For instance, specify which expense or revenue the line relates to. Narration explains the big picture. Description explains the individual lines. Now, select the account for each line. You can search by account name or code. Make sure you're posting to the correct ledger category like an expense, revenue, asset, or liability. If your organization uses tracking categories, this is typically where you'll choose them to keep reports tidy. Choose the right tax rate for each line. Select the tax setting that matches the nature of the transaction and your local rules. If an adjustment is non-taxable, pick the appropriate no tax option. When in doubt, confirm the rate before saving. Enter the amounts in the debit and credit columns. Your total debits must equal total credits. Watch the running totals at the bottom of the screen. Xero helps you see if you're in balance. If something doesn't add up, revisit the accounts and amounts until the difference is zero. When everything looks correct, save your work by selecting Save as Draft. Drafts are perfect for internal review and won't affect final reports until they are approved and posted. Keeping journals in draft first helps catch typos, wrong dates, or incorrect tax rates before they flow through to your financials. That's the process from start to finish. Open the manual journal, add a clear narration and date, describe your lines, choose accurate accounts and tax rates, balance debits and credits, and save as a draft for review. Thanks for watching and happy journaling in Xero.